Hey guys, it's Shannon. I am going to first off apologize for my voice because I have a cold that I'm trying to get through, so I know I sound awful, and I've already apologized on Instagram. If you don't follow me over there, you can find me at TheDailyDIYer because I already warned you all that a couple of my videos are gonna be sounding like this until I can get over it, but I don't wanna miss out on bringing you guys videos either, so we're gonna continue on with the Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule. And I'll try not to voice over too much, just to save you having to suffer through this. So this is my very first clean with me video. I've never done one before, so if you guys enjoy them, give this video a thumbs up if you want me to continue bringing them to you, or leave me a comment down below if you like them. I've been watching them a lot lately just because it's very motivational, and it definitely gets me in the mood to get cleaning. And what I'm gonna share with you is I'm gonna clean up the living room and the kitchen and bring you guys along and do a little bit of organizing because we're getting ready to do a little bit of a living room makeover. And so you kind of get to see too what it looks like in real life, day to day, for upcoming videos that I'll have on how we go about updating it. And then also you get to see the kitchen too, which I know we have been in the process of updating and we still are. So this is just like, you know, a real in the moment, life is how it is kind of a video. So let's get to the cleaning and organizing. All right, so here is what the living room looks like, exactly how it is today, as we got up and left for school. So I'm just back home, and let me give you a little tour because this is just how the living room has turned into, but it won't be for long, I promise. We'll have some updates coming up. Small business, it's tax time. I've got that going on. This is my silhouette station. It's on wheels so I can roll it to the kitchen table. My son got this for Christmas and it's living in here. I have my light, one of my light boxes. And then we have blankets and pillows, of course. My son got this for Christmas as well. It's a snowball game that my mom made for him. And then I'm thinking about doing drop cloth curtains, so I grabbed those and pulled those out. And then behind this door is some of my painting supplies and business supplies and craft supplies. So they kind of hide out back there. And then if you saw my Instagram, we just got a new stove. So the old stove is living in the living room right now until we sell it or get rid of it. And then I got Brian this inversion table for Christmas, and it's still in the living room. We just finished putting it together, so we need to find a home for that as well. We're gonna be painting the walls and the trim and the beautiful pocket doors back there. And then this area is not so bad. It's pretty clean. We got the little doggy bowls on the floor. We're also talking about new flooring, so we have that down there just kind of discussing. And then in here in the living room, or in the kitchen, here's the new stove, which still has pizza pans on it from dinner last night because I was not feeling well at all. So the kitchen didn't get cleaned like it usually does before I go to bed. And then we're also going to be painting the cabinets. So I've swatched the kitchen cabinets with the new gray paint just to kind of see what it'll look like. So that's a discussion right now. Of course, you know, like I said, it's not cleaned up. That's what we're here to do today. I still have to film some of this right here. I just made this cute snowball wreath and I need to finish filming that. So this area doesn't look terrible because it's getting ready to get filmed. And then, yeah, the coffee bar looks good. It's still, oh, and my honey. He left me a little note this morning, so that was sweet before he left for work, and set my coffee cup out. And then this wall, if you guys have ideas, I don't just want to put a giant cabinet here to put more storage, but I'm kind of stumped as to what I want to do with that wall. So if you guys have ideas for me, let me know in the comments below. And then the kitchen table, which has the coats on it because I'm getting ready to film the coat rack. And yeah, so this is just how it is now, and we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning. here it is all cleaned up. I did a huge like deep cleaning after Christmas, after I put all the Christmas away. I like scrubbed all my hands and knees, the carpet, I vacuumed the whole couch, I washed all of the blinds down, and now we're getting ready to paint. So I needed to get as much out of here as I could. And then we have a big project coming for back behind this door. That thing needs to go ASAP. And then hopefully eventually we'll have a big project for this corner coming up soon too. But I need to find, I'm gonna make some space in the stairwell to put all the stuff that was back here so that I can still access it, but it frees up that space. It definitely doesn't need to be in the living room. We are hoping to get me a new workspace soon, so you gotta stay tuned for that because that's a huge secret right now. But let's move on to the stairwell so I can get that all organized. All right, so here is the stairwell space I'm going to tackle. And I've always seen so much potential in this space, like adding shelves and organization. So that's not necessarily what I'm gonna do today. I just wanna make space for my work stuff right now. So I'm gonna get rid of all of this, just clean it out and move that stackable bin in here, and then I'll still be able to access it. Alright, so here is all of my craft supplies put away now, and this is just proof that you don't need like a whole room to yourself to be able to create in. I work at the kitchen counter a lot and this kitchen table a lot, and I did used to have a big space, a whole basement studio. But I have worked like this for months now, and it's just fine. You just kind of make do with what you got. You don't let it stop you. We are working on a new space for me to have my own studio again, but that's a little ways down the road, but I will be bringing you guys along for that, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that. And now on to cleaning up the kitchen that now collected everything from the living room, but it's not that bad. It looks bad, it's not that bad. It doesn't scare me. So one thing at a time, let's go. All right, so I got everything cleaned, everything's organized in its spot, taken care of. And all I have left to do is I've got 2 loads of laundry to fold in there, and then I've got another one going downstairs. So yeah, we are going to be working on painting kitchen cabinets in here, possibly repainting the walls again, and lots of other stuff. So I hope you guys will give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you like clean with me videos. Maybe I'll do more. Also, make sure to subscribe because this living room transformation on a budget is next to come. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.